a great management guru in the next 40 years. It doesn't come by asking your dad, give me 1 crore rupee, I'll buy Tisco top position. It doesn't happen. You have to build it. Even in politics, it doesn't happen. You have lots of crores, somebody might not give you a general secretary position. You have to build it up. Forget about that. So in Tisco, it doesn't happen. So I request you try for this award only because it's going to help you. The number of relationships I have before end of this month with second years, third years, and fourth years. Shake hand. Hi, hello. He said, be formal, polite, good behavior. May I introduce myself? May I know about you? Where do I buy a good book on C language? I didn't do C in the 12th standard. Attitude counts 80%, your knowledge counts 20% in life. So it's very important we develop the ability to cut a craft. Otherwise tomorrow, whoever you are dealing with, he may not care for you, right? They are not doing strike in Tisco only because they have a relationship back for both sides. If he or she happens to be not exhibiting the kind of relationship, it is for him. You won't become a COO soon, but you move on, find another person. At least say, I interacted with him, left it, interact with more, you try 100 of them, maybe you would find 10 of them, 20 of them, being very, very, very friendly and maybe more, right? So my appeal to you all is that know your ward, go and meet your assistant wardens, that's a must. Go and meet your assistant warden, shake hand, introduce yourself, go and meet your wardens, we'll set it up. No, if I set it up, it's easy. You put in efforts, find out. Go and meet them. Go and meet them. I even want to announce the award by next year. How many faculty you have gone to their house and then said, sir, what time can I spend 10 minutes with you? I just want to chat with you. I heard you, I want to know whether you like music, or you like playing. I just want to, I'm from Bihar, so which part of India you are? Sir, tell me about, I want to chat with you for 10 minutes. Do that. Really encourage. You want to sit in the room? All your partial differential equations will not give you the ladder to climb up in life. It will open. Dr. Somnath Biswas. He is associate professor in physics, the only faculty in LNMIT possibly who is guiding 5 PhDs and a good number of MTechs, MS. By default, he is in the research lab, till late evenings, from early morning, from morning 8 till night 11, 12, right? Very focused, very, very focused researcher. And he has got projects from from DST and other places. He's also your chief warden. Very nice gentleman. You're lucky to have a chief warden, right? That is all.
Thank you so much, Professor Gopi. So, I'm your chief warden, and you might have noticed that we have a group of wardens, associate wardens and assistant wardens. And my team basically takes care of your problems in hostels. So if you have any problem, any type of problem, okay, just inform the assistant wardens. The assistant wardens are basically the PG students. So maybe you can be more comfortable in meeting with them rather than coming to the wardens. But if the problem is very serious, then I would say directly come to the wardens, or you can come to me anytime. I'm available in my office, and you also know the phone numbers of all the wardens. So if you have any type of problem, again I'm repeating, you can directly contact the wardens or me. Don't feel shy. Okay, any type of problem, any type of harassment from seniors, any sort of problem, without any hesitation, you can directly come and meet with us. Okay, I hope you will have a nice day in LNMIT. Okay, best of luck.
They actually posted in the poster, and you can remember it's 9982095775. Okay. And regarding everything that you, because I already told you, and Mr. Gentleman also told you that what you should actually do in your own words. So one thing I like to add, I also walk through this space. I've done retail, and I'm currently pursuing PhD from IIT Kharagpur. I've done BTech from Community College, BTech from IIT Kharagpur, and I'm pursuing a PhD in IIT Kharagpur. So what I actually learned and faced so many different places. One important thing is that you have to be different from others. And to be different, you have to be different in your attitude. It's already told by the whole team that if you have the having the alphabetical as 1, 2, 3 like that, A for 1, B for 2, C for 3, you can add knowledge. Alphabetical numbers, you can add the numbers for the alphabet of knowledge, it will come to 96. You can add. And hard work, it will come to 98. But if you would add attitude, it will come to 100. So what makes different from others is attitude. And to build attitude, you need to actually have good amount of time devotion for what is your goal. For that, and because I'm more concerned about research and education this thing, one thing I can tell you, you can actually read so many books, and professors will tell you so many books, but if you are not reading properly, at least you should be able to remember from what book the professor is actually giving you lecture.
Okay, most of you have already seen my face. I am Dr. Akhlaq Hussain. I am the warden of Boys Hostel 3, and most of the boys living in the same hostel. I already met you last week, I guess on Sunday evening. I discussed you many things related to the hostel. And also I am visiting frequently in the night as well. You have seen. If there are problems, please report to us before reporting it to anybody outside. As I mentioned in one of my meeting also, that we are here to take care of you, and if you have any difficulties related to the hostels or any other issue, we are always there to help you. You have the list of wardens of Boys Hostel 3, Associate Warden Mr. Vikas Vajpayee, and the other warden, Assistant Warden here, Madan Lal. I introduced both of them to you and also requested you to contact us in case of any difficulties. And so far I was not contacted by anybody, so I had the feeling that all of you are comfortable in the hostel. But still if there are problems, please report to us. And I also requested before reporting to your parents, you should report it to us, because we are living in a family and now we all are members of the same family. So before going outside, please come to us. We are always there to help you. Around the clock, 24/7. I also stay in the campus. You can come to my house. So what else I should say? I wish you all a very healthy stay in the campus, and especially in Boys Hostel 3. Many changes I am making in the hostel regarding this reading room, common room, computer room, guest room, which you will see soon. I need your cooperation, and I expect that you will extend your cooperation to me. Thank you very much.
Hello, I am Anjali Patania and I am Associate Warden of Girls Hostel. Like I met most of the girls in the meeting earlier also. Whatever point my wardens have already made, we are always approachable. Whenever there is a problem, please do come to us. But one more point I would like to add here. Be respectful towards your seniors also. Like to you always be senior, it's just in a click of a finger, you will go to second year and you will be senior. you would expect some kind of respect from your juniors. The same kind of respect you give to your seniors also. They deserve this much. Rest, the points have been covered, and I wish you all the best and hope you will do well in the coming years.
I'm Vikas Vajpayee. I'm the Associate Warden of PH3, where majority of the first year students are staying. I think all the points are already covered, but still I would say that your parents have admitted you to this institute with lot of confidence, and we people are here to provide you with education and give a good shape to your career. Right, so instead of, if there are some issues, and instead of giving your parents the sleepless night, let us know first, right? We people are here, level 24/7. We have a huge team of wardens. We are here to sort out all your issues. We have a good counseling cell. They are also ready and available for shooting out all your issues. So instead of exporting your troubles, right? Let us know. We are a family. We will sort out all the issues within this premises, right? So with this, I would welcome you all, and I would wish you a very pleasant stay, especially in PhD, where I am taking care of the majority of the students, right? Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Assistant Warden of PH Bhatt, myself Jeevan Jadhav. So in any case, if you need to contact me, I am available in PS1, room number B131. During night time, I am always available there, so you can directly contact me. Or otherwise, my number is already displayed in PS Bhatt. So in case of any difficulties in PS Bhatt particularly, you directly contact me. Okay. Okay, thanks.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Swati Bharadwaj, Assistant Warden of Girls Hostel. If you are not feeling well, you can anytime contact to me. I am living in the hostel, girls hostel, room number 101. If for making a healthy environment, basically for the girls, if you have any kind of problem, you are facing problem with your seniors or every kind of problem, you can contact to me anytime. Okay? Thank you so much.
Hello everybody. Myself is Bhaskar, and I am the Assistant Warden of PH2. And probably I think you all are satisfied over here. And in case you are having any problem, as suggested by everyone, you can call anyone. Probably I am in PH2, so first years are not there. But still, if you have any problem, you can contact me. My number is already displayed everywhere. And yes, probably we will be meeting in the physics lab. Okay, so best of luck for your 4 years. All the best.
One or two more wardens will be coming in. We have classes. Classes are going on. So my and important and the wardens all here. Important message to you all that please approach the assistant warden if they want, if their numbers are available, I will be on. And if there is any problem, talk to the assistant warden, talk to the warden, talk to the warden. My numbers are all there. They're pasted in several places in the hostel. Anjali ma'am's numbers, office number, room numbers are also available there. If the room number is not there, you can write assistant warden.
My name is Anjishnu Sarkar. I'm a faculty of the physics department. I am also incidentally the warden of PH1 and also in the anti-ragging committee. So if you have any problem regarding anything, my door is always open for you. I sit near the dean's office, somewhere in the near that area. My name is written on the board, so you can easily find it. Any problem you have regarding anything, academics or non-academics, you can always come to me. My email ID is sarkaranjishnu@gmail.com, and you will probably find my cell number on the postal notice boards.
The hostel which provide inconvenience to you, which may consist of refuse of any of such sort, you may contact any of us. So for them, for BH1, next slide please. For BH1, there are Chetan Sharma and Sahil Gupta. For BH2, Shanu Tiwari and Prashant Kumar. For BH3, Pranjal Srivastav and Jatin Batra. For GH, we have Shri Khandelwal and again Akansha Jain. Okay, so this was on the student side, and then the hostel affairs committee consists of the chairman of the hostel management committee is Dr. Somnath Biswas, who is the chairman, who is also the chief warden, then the student of dean of student affairs, Dr. Ravi Gorti, and then we have all the wardens who were introduced to you. So in case you have any problem regarding any of the inconvenience in your hostel, kindly contact any of us. And regarding the issues of ragging, we all have an anti-ragging cell, and from which the student representatives are Kush Gupta and Sagar Tandon. You all have their number displayed everywhere on the anti-ragging posters. Kindly contact any of them or any of the counseling cell members or any of the wardens/assistant wardens for any convenience. We are all here for you, and good luck to have you as a part of LMIIT. Thank you everyone, you can discuss now.
Middle of the afternoon. It's been a nice wet, warm week, the first week that you've had here. Today, it's my pleasure to introduce to you this afternoon's speaker. He's Professor Keshav Rai. He is a man of so many facets to his personality that's difficult to summarize everything in one shot. I think best would be when you see him and you listen to him, interact with him. He's the kind of person who would want you to talk to him, and he'll be happy to come across and explain any issues that you want. But we are particularly privileged to have him here because he doesn't live in Jaipur. He lives in Pune. He happens to be here. It's my privilege to have known him for many years. And it's always been a pleasure to interact with him. So when he called me up the other day to say he was in Jaipur, I couldn't think of a better piece of luck to bring someone like him to this kind of audience, where on one hand you need to know about opportunities and life ahead and everything that is going to come your way, great futures that you have in your hand. On the other, to have somebody who can say that without making it sound like he's lecturing you. He's the kind of person who originally did not come from the academic life. He worked many years in corporate India and Hindustan Lever, and also at Mahindra & Mahindra, in both companies where he held positions of responsibility. But then that didn't satisfy him. He set up his own companies. That didn't satisfy him. He got into, as he himself puts it, he was dragged into teaching, which was principally at the Symbiosis Institute of Management in Pune, where he was the director of the International School of Business. And later he has now also been principally involved in setting up a new institute or international school for corporate management. He is a director there. He happens to be a person from the city, Jaipur, and which is how he happens to be here just now. So without ado, I'd like to offer the mic to him and to request him to not speak to you, as he himself says, but to interact with you, to involve you in what is likely to be your own future, and for him to give you his version of what he sees ahead for you. Professor Keshav Rai.
Thanks, Ambika. All that he said, please. Nowhere near it. Can everybody hear me? Yes, sir. Loud and clear? Yes, sir. All right. Let me warn you about just one thing. I've had instances in various colleges, and one which always got me very ragged was when I found a student sleeping or yawning in my class. It's my humble request. Haath jod ke, don't yawn when I'm talking to you. Don't sleep when I'm talking to you. Promise? I threw a guy from the 3rd floor in Symbiosis. I threw him out of the window. He didn't die, thank God. But he just broke a leg. How many believe me? How many believe me I did that? A lovely set of people. Hey, tum log kya? You think I really throw a guy from the 3rd floor? Huh? So now you're very happy you're on the ground floor. So I won't throw you down. All right. But please, seriously, don't sleep. And I'm very happy that a lot of you are wearing t-shirts. I'm so glad. Now I don't feel underdressed. I see all this faculty wearing fancy shirts and all, so I said, my God, I'm wearing a t-shirt. But thank God you're wearing a t-shirt. Aren't you happy? Wearing a t-shirt? You are or you're not? Oh, brilliant. So am I. Okay. So you're all engineering students, right? Yes, sir. Or that's what you'd like to be, right? And you're going to finish being an engineer. You will come out of here being a BTech student, right? Yes, sir. So you painted your future picture with very bold paint brush strokes. Have you? Have you painted your future as colorful as that